YouTube, right Tropical here, man, with another banger video, man, for y'all boys, man. Hey, but look, nah, I said we just chatting, we just kicking it. We on TikTok live, just chilling. I'm with my dog Ness. As you can see, nah, saying rocking the little pink BTBR. Go cop the board and be rich. Nah, saying we got the music. We just chatting. We on live, TikTok live. Nah, saying I'm rocking the blue born to be rich. Nah, saying we on TikTok live. This is just an intro of that bill. Nah, saying it's a cool Tuesday, nothing too crazy. We off today, so we just decided to, nah, saying going live. As you can see,
shit.
We working, y'all niggas working every day. We working doing something different. Nah, I'm saying go cop the merch. Nah, I'm saying nigga just got a haircut too and a retwist, bro. I just uploaded this. What was it? I think it was a short YouTube Shorts. I uploaded YouTube Shorts and like I talk about my retwist. I think that bit ran up like 2K views, the same. Literally, this, I think this not even 24 hours, but I hit like 2K views off of it. You know what I'm saying? I just posted it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas really working. I need to upload on my main channel more. You know what I'm saying? It's just been a minute. It's just really been a minute. You know what I'm saying? I just really want to show y'all this. I want to show y'all the second part of my life where I really be doing. I got a haircut not too long ago.
That shit cool. 8.5. YouTube, man. It's your boy Young Ness, man. Hey, you know how we do this shit, man.
What we doing, bro? Y'all niggas hit 1K likes, bro. What time is it?
It's like
they even leave me hanging. What we just hit 1K likes.
Man, I hit 1K likes.
We just hit 1K likes. But look, check out what we doing. Hey, chat.
Man, chat, man. Shout out to the vlog.
Say what's up to the vlog.
You know how to do shit. Shout out to them folks who stayed down.
Hey, the OGs.
Shout out to them folks who stayed down, man.
Look, say what's up to the vlog.
Shout out to them folks who stayed down, man. I don't know how we do this shit.
We just out here promoting a little clothing brand.
YouTube, man.
He promoting a clothing brand. Know what I'm saying? Dog got the pink BTBR. You can see it. I'm rocking the blue one. Know what I'm saying? It's out now. We got like 11 orders.
Somebody said that they DM'd us.
We got 11 orders, which is crazy. You know what I'm saying? We just on live trying to promote the brand more, way more. Know what I'm saying? Niggas saying I was like costing that. I don't know how, what the fuck. But yeah, I'm just
YouTube, man. We just hit 4K on TikTok live, man.
Yeah, boy. Hey, say what's up to the vlog, though. Hey, look. Say what's up to the vlog. We got to be on vlog. Chat. Hey, yo, chat. Check it out. We just hit 4K in the chat. Hold on, pause. Give it a little moment of silence. Clap it up. Hold on. Let clap it up. Let clap it up. Young niggas just hit 4K. Yeah, young niggas on some Steve shit, bro. Who knows what's gonna happen this week? But hey, young niggas just decided to pick up the camera and go on TikTok live. Young niggas just hit 5K likes, bro. Like, niggas really working.
Baddies in this live.
Y'all niggas really working.
There's some baddies up in here.
Y'all niggas really working every day. Hey, tell them in order what they gotta do to get a 10.
Want a 10?
What they gotta do to get a 10? Talk to chat. Talk to the camera. What they gotta do to get a 10?
If you want a 10, you gotta cop from the brand.
Go cop the merch. Go cop the brand. Know what I'm saying? We even made one for the ladies, a pink BTBR. And I said we just hit 5K likes.
Yeah, my shit got
long as hell. In it. Say what's up to the vlog, though.
Hey, chat, man. Say what's up to the vlog right here, man.
This is vlogging.
No,
we just hit 5K likes. There's only like 3 somewhere. And y'all niggas only had like 6 people in here, 10 when we like
man,
just 15 minutes ago.
Right now, man. You feel me?
Nah, we just chatting and all that stuff. But I'm gonna pick up the camera. Over here, 10K likes or something, bro. But yeah, we just on RG Rex for more than the brand. And yeah,
what's up with the folks?
Go tune into the video.
Vlog. You gotta stay down. Tell them folks if they ain't with you now, it's gonna be hard to get with you later. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, this shit for real.
So chat, check it. Look, we just hit 7K likes.
Oh, 7K. Oh, 7.2.
7.2. We just hit 700 on the little brand page. You see that? Show vlog.
Vlog, man. Yeah, 700, man.
700 on that bill.
Know how to do it, man. We grinding. Young nigga shit. Feel me?
700 followers. But look, know what I'm saying? Look.
Trini. Hold on, I got you. Shorty.
We finna get to y'all. We just chill, chatting still. We finna end this bit probably at 10K likes or something, whatever. No, y'all niggas really working. We just out here trying to promote the brand. No too crazy, no shenanigans, not something, bro. Who knows what's gonna happen today?
Let me see. I'm trying to trend.
But yeah, y'all niggas got that shit on, bro. Sound a little light, still a little light drip, but look. Y'all niggas really working though. Hey, look, tune into the vlog. Nah, son. Dig.
He look like Lil Bill, the boy in the back.
No. First they say consonant. Now they say little Bill. That's random.
They just hating.
Hey, say what's up to the vlog though if you tuning in. Nah, saying y'all niggas really just hit 7 point. Say what's up to the vlog chat. We just hit 7.6K likes. Nah, saying say what's up to the vlog, man. This is keep it 100.
We finna be back.
Hey, but look, we finna end it live. Nah, saying.
Finna end it live, folks. Man, stay down with us. We finna be back though, man. Check it. No cap, man. Alright. Damn, dog. That's how we do it. See the followers? That's how we do it. What, man? How we do it, man? That's how young niggas working on the brand every day.
Nah, I'm saying go shop.
Go shop, man. Go shop.
I'm gonna say 8K likes. I was trying to hit 10K. I was really trying to hit 10K.
Bro, I got school, bro.
I was really trying to hit 10K on that.
Yeah.
I was saying go shop with the brand. YouTube, Tropical here, man, with another banger video, man, for y'all boys, man. Hey, look, let me know if y'all fucking with the name, like, you feel me, the little intro, not I'm saying, like that Tropical here. Let me know if y'all fuck with that intro, not saying. I do need to call y'all something. Let me know what name y'all think about in the comment suggestions. I'm thinking about Tropical Gang. Some people been saying it's a Tropical Gang or Tropical Nation. Let me fix my hat. But yeah, I'm not saying. Let me know what y'all think. What I should call y'all down there in the comment section. Let me know. I'll take in consideration of that and do it. Nah, I'm saying. Right now I got the little Born to Be Rich shirt on the back. Let me show y'all. If you haven't tuned in, go tune into that vlog. Nah, I'm saying. I started my own clothing brand. Right now this is the blue colorway of it. I'm getting more samples. I'm gonna get more samples and more colors and like all that good stuff soon. I'm gonna drop another collection, so stay tuned to that. Now I'm saying you don't want to miss out. It's my first time doing clothing, all this stuff. I really want to go deep into this fashion stuff. You know what I'm saying? Really do videos like, you know what I'm saying, fit checks at Walmart, fit checks at Goodwill, who can make the best fits. Cause you know what I'm saying, when I'm cooling with the boys or with the gang, or like, you know what I'm saying, it's a cool calm day and I just decided to pick up the camera and vlog. You know what I'm saying, I want to do something fun, different, creative. You know what I'm saying, with something that can get all of us, everybody, mind flowing, you know what I'm saying, sticking out of violence. You know what I'm saying, staying out of violence. You know what I'm saying, just always doing something different. But yeah, I'm starting a clothing brand, call it Born to Be Rich. If you didn't see it, now you see it. I'm rocking the blue color of it. I'm rocking it. You know what I'm saying, my boy Ness, shout out to Ness, he got the pink color. Damn, boys, I just lost my picks. Bro. They scored. I voted for them to not go to be a draw, and they just scored, bro. They just saw my picks. Could have won nice, but won $107. They scored, bro. Could have went big boy. Lost both of my picks. It's cool though. We got a game at 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go watch. Well, you win some, you lose some. But damn, I was really kind of happy to start off that vlog. But I'm gonna go head out to where I gotta go to. I got a very special vlog for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pick up the camera where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? Where I'm gonna go to get this video at least 10 likes. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, just enjoy pure content without us or me staying out of violence. You know what I'm saying? Go buy that BGBR. I'm gonna catch y'all when I pick up the camera. YouTube, Tropical here, man. But this is like a little vlog or whatever. I pick up the camera for y'all boys. I end up indeed not going to the dealership. Like I told your boys, I was gonna go to the dealership, check out some cars, some Chargers, some Challengers, plan switched up. I didn't go, you know, some things happened. I almost caught a flat tire when my tire on my car almost exploded. So I didn't go. I had to turn the car back around, change the plan, so I didn't go no more. But I do got this interesting fire vlog for you guys. I will be going to FIU to a tailgate party, my first tailgate. I'm just gonna vlog for you guys, pick up some content. I'm saying my first tailgate, who knows what's expected, how's it gonna be, I'm saying what's the atmosphere gonna be like, bruh. I'm saying, bruh, but nah, I'm picking up the camera vlog for y'all. I was just cleaning my room up, adding my, I'm saying, my goals and my stuff, weekly goals and my daily goals I just wrote. I'm saying, you see the disinfecting wipes, I was cleaning all over here, gotta fix the shoes up and all that stuff. Let me know in the chat if y'all boys want to see a room tour or a shoe vlog or something. I'm saying, I've been saying I'm gonna give y'all room tours and more shoe collections, all that good stuff. But I'm saying, nigga, I haven't been dropping though. But I'm saying, nigga, back active on the Tropical channel, the Sega channel. If you're new, go subscribe. Like this video if you're new. Let me know what like number count you pressed. Nah, I'm saying, bro. But nah, I was just cleaning the room. Nah, I'm saying, just feeling myself, just cleaning my room, getting some stuff done. So I'm about to go edit this video right now. I got my laptop propped up, it's charging, but I'm about to go edit this video. I was just chilling, listening to music, catching a vibe on the speaker. But I indeed do got something. I got something I want to show y'all. I had indeed copped a VSH camera, VSR camera, whatever you want to call it, VSH, VSR. My mom had indeed bought me one of these. It's a VSH camera. Nah, I indeed got a VSH camera. My mom had bought it for me at Goodwill for like $20. It was 20 bucks. Nah, saying it was expensive. It was cheap and all, but it turns on. Show you boys how it's turned on. It just turned on. Show you this VSH mode. You can see myself from here. Nah, saying. Y'all really can see, chat, y'all see. But now I'm saying I copped a VSH camera, VHR. The front screen is kind of broken, but you can still see through it. But yeah, I copped one of these mugs. I will even be doing vlogs and all that good stuff on this, so stick to it. The content gonna get way better, the quality gonna get way better now I'm saying, bro. I'll be doing behind the scenes vlogs or, you know, studio vlogs or Cody Man vlogs with this and my main camera too, also as you see me recording in it. I wish I could switch it up and show you how it looks already, but I don't know how to, like, you know, export the audio. And, you know, cause now it's different from the regular digital camera. This use a tape cassette recorder. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to pull it out. I forgot how to pull it out. What I'm saying, but use a tape cassette recorder. This is the zoom in, so you can see through, so you can look through. You can see through here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys are live. Y'all boys are live. You know what I'm saying? But this shit is so cool. I really like this camera. It's a W investment. W in the chat. You know what I'm saying? I had to show y'all the little gift. The thing I had to show y'all. It was a little surprise when one had bought me. It come with all the bag and accessories. This is the bag. I gotta see how to use it and set it up, like how to export and all that good stuff. It comes with the charger pack, for the extra cassette tape. You know what I'm saying? The charger pack is in here. But I will be indeed doing more vlogs on that. So just stay tuned to that. You know what I'm saying, bro? Quality finna get way better on there. A nigga just chatting, just vlogging with y'all boys. Nigga been in the gym lately. I know y'all see. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. Hey, chill. I know y'all see that. Nigga been in the gym lately. You know what I'm saying, bro? A lot of people are saying I look like Cot Snap lately. I've been in the gym, but hey, you know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas have been putting this work in off camera, on camera, off camera. Hey, you know how it goes. But look, you know what I'm saying, bro? And they pick up this vlog. Like I said, I'll be going to FAU. I got a tailgate party. I'm going to my first tailgate, so stay tuned to that. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Tropical Visuals here, man. Hey, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm out there, when I'm over there. Catch y'all boys.